most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome in and happy election day. If you're going to be headed to the polls later on, it's going to be a nice one. There's the moon, by the way. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. Remember that song, James?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, look at that thing. It looks like a big old pizza pie up there in the sky. And you know, it is tradition on election day in newsrooms across this country. A tradition as old as the polls themselves to get pizza, right?
Uh-huh.
And it's also tradition for those of us on the morning crew to get nothing.
I was waiting for it.
30.
Here we go.
No, that's not true. We don't get nothing. We will get the leftover, half-eaten cold pizza tomorrow morning.
Yes, so be thankful.
Okay. Thankful I am. 37 degrees. I'm thankful for the chill this morning because it gets me up. It gets me moving along. And it should you as well. And I'm also thankful that highs today will bounce back even bigger than yesterday with temperatures near 70 degrees. Satellite radar pictures showing you we've got mainly clear skies overhead this morning. A few thin clouds around, and we may see those from time to time today, but it is going to be lovely. And I was out last night at a baseball game, and it was nice, but there was, as I mentioned yesterday, there would be just enough of a breeze and enough of a chill in the air. I needed the light jacket, especially once the sun dipped down last evening, and I think the same can be said today. Even though it will be a warm afternoon, it is still spring. It's not summer yet. 31 degrees in Chambersburg this morning. At one of those spots that also was frosty yesterday will likely be again today. 35 in York, 39 in Lancaster. We're actually a little bit warmer today in some spots than 24 hours ago, but for the most part, it's a very similar morning because we are talking about patchy frost. We've got Louisville dipping down to 31, 32 in Manheim this morning. Carlisle and Lewistown, not as bad, but temperatures are still in the 30s. So jackets needed at the bus stop this morning, kids. We were at 38 yesterday officially, but of course many areas did see numbers dip below 32. 63 was the high, and so because we exceeded model guidance at least a little bit, I think we can hit 70 today, no problemo. And we can see that we've got a nice view of the capital city here, and temperatures are going to increase remarkably, bouncing back from temperatures in the 30s this morning to getting near that 70-degree mark. So a nice graph here, a nice step ladder, up we go, and just a really pleasant afternoon on the way. It's going to be warm now. It will be breezy today, and I know it was still a bit breezy yesterday. I think the winds are going to be worse today, more noticeable, more of a nuisance. High pressure, though, should shield us from any bad weather until tonight, and then we'll start to see the clouds increase, a few showers overnight and during the day on Wednesday as this front moves through. And yes, it will remain breezy here tomorrow. Good news is I don't expect a lot of rain. And again, we don't need it. We've had a wet spring so far. Evening planner showing, again, pretty nice, mostly sunny at 5 p.m. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Very pleasant. A few clouds start to drift in by later in the evening, but all things considered, I think it's going to be very, very nice. Here it is on Precision Cast showing you again, maybe by late this evening, the clouds will arrive. I think for the most part, they will wait until the overnight. A couple of showers overnight into early Wednesday and a couple of stray showers during the day tomorrow. But it's not going to be a rainy day. There will even be some peaks of sunshine. And then on Thursday, a nice mix of sun and clouds to start. I still think for the most part, it will be a mainly sunny day. It's going to be chilly, though. More frosty mornings ahead, both Thursday and Friday morning could feature potential frost. In terms of rainfall, again, we're not seeing much, about 1/10 of an inch or less. Now, it will be breezy today. Winds could gust over 20 miles an hour, and we're going to repeat that process on Wednesday behind the front. We will see a northwestern breeze here at about, 10 to 15, even close to 20 miles an hour. So the extended outlook does show the end of the week looks dry, a couple of stray showers around early in the weekend. And the next Tuesday, we could see a few showers and thunderstorms because what's going to happen is we have this big ridge building in. So it's going to be chilly here Thursday and Friday, but watch what happens for the weekend. We start to warm things back up on Saturday, and by next Sunday and Monday, we could be in the 80s here. Really some spring, if not early summer-like temperatures headed our way. So today, 70, nice and warm. In fact, I know it's chilly this morning, but this is really going to be a nice day. Clouds will increase tonight. Notice the temperature tonight, milder, 53, a few stray showers, and a couple of frosty mornings again Thursday and Friday, but nice days. Temperatures will be in the 60s. We lose the breeze. 80s next week. Beautiful. I knew you'd like it.
Love it.
Yeah.
All right, Brett, thank you. We'll be right back.